Okay. Sige, kuya. Kasi start tayo sa 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How about sa 2?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
How about sa 3?
3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15,
15?
15, 18, 21, 24, 24, 27, 27, 30.
Very good. How about sa 4?
4, 4, 8, 18, 4, 8, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 28, 32, 37, 40.
36.
36.
40. Okay, how about sa 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
How about sa 6?
6, 12, 18, 24, 35,
30.
30, 36, 36, 42, 42, 49,
48.
48, ano 49?
Sa 7 yun. 6 man tayo. 42, 48.
42, 48,
After 48.
48,
54.
54,
60 pa.
63,
Wala, no, 63. Kapag yung 60 lang ba? Okay, start sa 6.
6, 12, 18, 24, 35,
30.
ay, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 36, 42, 42, 48, 48, 48, 53,
4.
54, 60.
Isa pa.
At least I remember.
Very good. Isa pa.
8, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54,
42, 48.
42, 48, 42, 48, 53, 60.
54. Kulang 53.
Ayun,
Isa pa.
3, 6, 9, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 40, 48, 54, 60.
How about 7?
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 35, 40,
2.
2. Yeah, it's gonna say 42. 42, 49, 53,
6.
56, 63, and 70.
Isa pa.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
Very good. How about 8?
8, 8, 16, 24, 8, 16, 24, 8, 16,
Go, bring water. Tapos bring ka kuya bond paper and ballpen ha. 2 bond paper. Go, go, go. Tell Ronnie na mag-memorize. Tell Ronnie na mag-memorize ha.
Okay.
Ha? Go, go, go. Yay. Diba? Okay, sige kuya. So, continue tayo. Okay, sa 8 na tayo, di ba? 8 na. Sabi mo 8.
8, 16, 28, 8, 16, 24, 8, 16, 20, 8, 16, 24, 30, 38,
2.
32, 32, 8, 16, 24, 32, 38,
40.
8, 8, 16, 24, 24, 32, 32, 40, 48, 48, 56, 63, 70.
Bakit may 63? 64. 8 pa tayo. Isa pa. 8.
8, 16, 24, 32, 32, 40, 48, 53, 56, 50, and then 56, then 64, then 78, 73,
2.
72, 80.
Isa pa.
8, 16, 24, 32, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 72, 80.
Isa pa. Because you're not confident.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 64, 72, 80.
Very good. 9. Start.
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 72, 73, 82, 73,
63. 63, 72, 81, 90, isa pa.
9, 18, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90,
How about 10?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Very good. Okay, so what are the two types of fraction?
Normal.
Proper?
Proper and improper.
What's the difference between the proper and the improper?
The denominator is lower than the denominator. The denominator is lower than the denominator.
Ano yun siya? Proper, improper?
Proper.
How about improper?
The denominator is higher than the denominator.
Tama. Okay, so that's the numerator and the denominator, kuya. So for today, kuya, we will practice pa rin ha, from addition to division, kuya. So, dapat medyo bilis-bilisan mo yung pag-answer, kuya. So this one, we have 12 all over 20 plus 4 all over 20. Answer na agad. I want a nice handwriting, ha? Maganda, that I can see clearly.
Maybe.
Can you do it?
I'm thinking 3, 6, 9, 12, 12, 16, 16, 20.
So, can you do it in there?
By 3.
By 3? Sure ka by 3? Can you skip lang ka by 3?
3, 6, 9, 12, 16.
15.
Ay, 15. 4, 8, 10.
Ano 4, 8, 10?
Try lang.
It's not 10.
Try lang.
Very, 4, ano 4, 8, 10? Sige, isa pa 4?
4, 8, 12, 16.
16.
20.
Oh, ibig sabihin, divisible by
4.
4. Correct? Sige. Very good. Correct. Okay, next.
If I can solve 10 questions in 10 minutes, done na.
Yes.
Huh?
Dapat mabilis ha. Timer start na.
How much time? Kuya, how much time?
9 minutes na lang. Can you reduce it in there?
4, 8, 10, 15, 16.
Ano 4, 8, 10?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28,
Oh, 38 section. Very good.
28, 32, 32,
36.
46,
36.
36, 40, 48, 44, 48, 52, 56,
So both of them were mentioned. So, that is divisible by
4.
Go. Dapat hindi ka malito ha. Dapat mabilang mo kung ilan. Oh, next. 7, 14. Can you reduce it in there?
By 7.
Very good. Congratulations. 8 minutes left. Next. 5 times 6. 5 over 6 times 8 over 9. How to process this one, gani? Yo. Straight ahead, di ba?
Ayo.
Division man yun.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
Ha? Tama. Next.
Huh?
Can you reduce it in there?
We can?
By what?
4.
Sure, try lang.
I know that sound. Yeah, 4.
Try gani. Sika.
4, 8, 12, 16, 28, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 48,
44.
44, 48, 4,
Bawal. So, what did I told you gani about sa 2? Di ba it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are divisible by? If the end digit of the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that is divisible by 2. O try, divide by 2.
Oh,
40 divided by 2, how much?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Matagalan ka niyan. Dapat you do this one, oh.
Ayaw, forgot.
Hmm.
See, no times.
That's gani. Pero you are reducing naman. If reduce, that is division. Oh, 40. Ask. Very good. Very good. Minus. 4 minus 4.
0.
Bring down. 0. 0 divided by 2.
2.
Ha?
0.
0. Saan ikot 0? 0. Very good. 0 times 2.
0 times 2 equals 2.
Ha?
0.
0. Saan ilagay si 0? Very good. 0 minus 0?
0.
0. Okay, so final answer? 20. Oh, you put 20 at the top. Equals 20. Next. 54 divided by 2. You do that one from time to time. Divide ha para mas mabilis. 5 divided by 2.
2.
Very good. Very good.
Ayaw.
Tama. Very good.
2.
Bring down.
Ayaw.
14
14 times 2.
divided
14 divided by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
12.
14.
Very good. How much?
7.
7. Correct. 7 times 2. 7.
14.
14. Very good. O diba? That's the advantage of knowing the division. So it's 27. Lagay 27. At the bottom. Can we reduce it in there? 20 and 27.
Bawal 10.
Bawal 10. We cannot na. So ibig sabihin that's the final answer. How about this one? 8 all over 9 divided by 4. How to do that one ganit? Di ba si 8 partner niya si 7? Tapos si 9 partner niya si 4. Go kuya.
So, bullet free kasi.
Go. After this one, we are going to learn the different denominator na ha.
Oh, different.
Oh, this one, oh, the same. I-different na natin ito ha. And the next. Sige.
Yeah, different.
Hindi, times at saka division man ito. Okay lang magkakaiba yung sign. Oh, multiply, go.
Okay.
Nagsulat-sulat pa talaga. I-skip lang muna. Sige ka yan.
Ayaw. 8, 9, 18, 27, 36.
Oh.
So hard.
Kung bakit yan mo gilagay lagi? Next.
16, 17, 14, 21, 28. 28, 34,
Ay.
35, 35, 42, 42, 49, 49, 56.
6. What did I told you gani? Pwede ba ang answer natin ano kuya? What kind of fraction is this? Improper, proper?
Improper.
improper. So, ano yung gagawin mo? You have to make it into a mixed number. Sige, gagawin mo daw mixed number. Sino sa loob? 56, very good. 36. 56 divided by 36. You will do the trial and error. So, you can choose from how many number yan? From 1 to 9. Hindi kasali sa 10. Sino yung itest mo? Si? 36 only ha. Make sure na hindi maglampas sa 56. Oh, do not mind calculate it. Do not do it. 36 times what number? Kalimutan. 36 by what number?
56. Ay, 2, 6, 6, 6.
Mag-try.
6.
6 times 6.
12.
Ha? Not plus.
30, ay 40. 6, 12, 18, 24.
4.
Yes, 24, 38, 36.
Very good. So 6 times 6, 36. Carry 3. Very good. 6 times 3.
6, 12, 18.
Plus 3.
Yeah, 18, 21.
216. Bakit 126? 21, di ba? 12 na isulat mo. 216. Is it our answer? Hindi. Because lampas sa 56. So think of a number, kuya. Another number. Hindi 6 ang gagamitin.
3.
3 try.
Ay.
3 times 6.
2.
Enough divide.
18.
18. Very good. 31. 3 times 3.
3, 6, 9, 9, 10.
Very good. 108 lampas.
2.
Try.
Next word.
2 times 6.
12.
2 times 3.
6.
Plus 1.
7.
Very good. 72.
1.
1. Very good. So 1 siya, kuya. Sige na sa nilagay si 1. Mabilis. 1.
Ah.
1.
1.
1 times 36.
1 times 36, 36.
36. Minus.
20.
20. So, how to make it into mixed number ganit?
Aha! I remember. This here. This here. This here, man. This here.
O, review lang kita para hindi ko makalimutan. The number on top is the big number. The number at the bottom is the number on top. The number at the side is the number at the bottom, ha? Okay, so okay na tayo dito. Balik tayo sa addition na naman. This one, I will teach you kuya kapag different na yung denominator, ha? Kasi this one, same man yung denominator. So what if bibigyan ka ng not the same kuya? For example, 2/3 plus 1/4. Oh, you cannot do 2 plus 1 and 3 plus 4. But instead, you have to do this one. Kaya here's the technique kuya. Here's the technique. 3 times 4. 3 times 4, how much?
What?
I-multiply ba sa isa na 3 times 4? 12. You put 12. Next. After 12, kuya, you do this one.
Eh?
4 times 2. 8.
8.
Next, so copy the plus sign. Next.
Oh, I remember.
3 times 1.
1. Ay, 3.
3. 8 plus 3.
12. 12. Ay, 11.
Pag once your teacher is looking at you that one, you should get the correct answer. Okay, 11 and over 12. Ganda reduce this one hindi.
We cannot.
We can. Very good. Akala ko we can. Okay, this one. 4/5 plus 2, 7. Sige daw. Do the process. Ay, I don't like this handwriting ba? Pangit. Make it nice. Yan. Para ma-understand the reader. Next. What's the first step, Gani? Since magkaiba yung denominator,
So
you
5 times 7.
multiply.
Yeah, 5 times.
Oh, sige, multiply. 5 times 7. Sige. By 7 ha? By 7.
5 times.
By 7.
Okay.
I don't want sa 5. By 7. You are counting sa 5. 7. Ipakita mo 7. You are counting by 5 ha?
11, 14, 21, 28, 35.
Oh, very good. Ako 35. Yan, ginamarapan sa teacher ha? Bibilisan yung pag-count sa point. O, 35 next, last next. You do this
4
one.
plus 7.
Ano more plus 7?
4 times 7.
4 times 7, how much? By 7. Yan, count pa ng 4. By 7. Yan, you are counting by 4.
7, 40, 41,
Oh, 28.
28
Oh,
plus.
28 plus
Plus
5.
5.
5 times? No, 28 plus 10. 28 plus 10. Oh, is that our final answer? 38 over 35? Hindi. You have to make it into a
Mix.
mix. Here we go.
Why? Why?
Because bawal ganyan yung improper, kuya.
This is 9 1.
Nandahin ka dyan. 5 times 7, 35. Answer.
Like this?
Very good. You will do the trial and error. Alam niyo naman ba? Very good. 1 times 35.
35.
Or 35. Pangit mo rating. Minus 38 minus 35.
4. 3.
3. Make it into mixed number.
I remember.
Titingin. Ay, 135 ito?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Next. Okay na, we will have some, ano na kuya? We will have some,
Tapos na?
wala pa. Okay. If magawa mo ito kuya or kaya mo maubos ang 1 to, this one oh, ang answeran mo kuya kay 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. I will give you 5 minutes. If finish mo before 5 minutes, tapos na tayo. Start. 4:30 ha, hanggang 4:35 ito. Oh, 4:30.
Plus 10. 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 1, 3. Wait, ito ba useless eh? Times 1.
You observe your previous answer.
3.
Oh, di ba? Hindi ko maintindihan.
I believe.
Yun, nasabihan kita na ganda mo writing mo.
3 times 2, 6. Mixed number. 6, 6, 1, 5, 6, 6, 0. 1. 0, 1, 6.
First pa lang mali na. Okay, this one, oh. 2 times 3, how much? 2 times 3.
3. Ay, 6.
6. Next, 3 times 2. Ay, 3 times 1.
3.
3. You put 3. Next, 2 times 2. 2 times 2.
The I want
2 times 2.
2.
Huh?
Ay, 4.
4. O, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4?
4.
3 plus 4?
6.
3 plus 4? 7. 7 all over 6. Make it to the mixed number. 7 over 6. Make it to the mixed number.
Where please? 6?
Ay, katagal dyan
1. Ay, 0.
Make it to the mixed number.
1 here. 6 here.
Very good.
1.
So that's the final answer for number 1. Next, number 3.
About the same.
Next number, number 3. Oh, last 2 minutes na lang, sir.
No, no, you're happy.
You're happy ka dyan.
7, 10, 70, 70, 2, 10, 20, 2, 6, 14.
7 times 6, 14?
Yes.
Pag show sa 14, it's not 14.
7, huh?
7 times 6.
7. Wait, 7 times 6.
Uy, dong, 7 times 6.
Butterfly method yan.
O, 10 times 2, 20. 7 times 6, how much?
14.
14 ka dyan sa mata mo.
7, 21, 28, 35, 40.
42.
Yeah, I said 42.
O, 42, you're right, 42. 14, 14 ka dyan. O, you add it. 20 plus 42.
60.
60?
70.
62.
60, yeah, 60.
62 all over 70. O, reduce it.
I remember.
Reduce. Hindi man yan sa improper fraction. Di ba that's proper?
Mm.
O, 62 all over 70. What number can be reduced to 62 and 70?
4.
Try. Give it a try.
4, 8, 10, 15,
Memorize that.
30, 34, 76, ay 70, 70.
62 all over 70. What's the end of 62?
2.
What's the end of 70? 0. So that is divisible by 2.
2 for 60 10.
Ay, you do guys 62 all over divide 2. Kaya mabilis. Ah, bakit na times? Divide.
I give up.
62, ganyan oh. 62 all over 2. Divide. Oh, go. Hindi ka na parang makareduce ka. Sige lang, kabayaan mo lang, gugulan.
I have no more motivation.
Is that working?
Yeah, I put it.
Sige, answer. 60 divided by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay, lampas mo. Lampas ka. Up until 6 na lagi. 60 divided by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Oh, how much? It's not multiply. Divide. 60 divided by 2. 2.
2, 4, 6,
Oh, how much?
8, 12.
2, 4, 6. 3. Very good. 3 times 2. Oh, minus.
2, 0 bring down. 2 times 2. 2 times
Divide. 2 divided by 2.
2 divided by 2, 1.
Mm.
1 times 2, 2. Minus 0. Good.
So 31. 31 at the top. Next, 70 divided by ano pa? 2.
What was it?
Buhat yung handwriting mo. 70 divided by 2 na. Very good. 31. 70 divided by 2.
21?
70. Di ba 70 ito? 7 divided by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8. Minus 3.
Very good. Bring down.
20.
10 divided by 2.
20.
Ah, 10 divided by 2, not times.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5.
5. 5 times 2.
10. 10 minus 10.
So, final answer. 31 all over. 31 all over. 35. Very good. Next, number
Tapos na?
number 5. 5, 9 plus 1 half.
I give up.
Hindi ko pala clear.
My answer.
5, 9 plus 1 half. Make your handwriting maganda ha.
Yeah.
16 plus 1 half. First step, multiply the denominator. Huh? 9 times 1, 5. 9 times 1. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Oh, 19 over 18.
19 over 18.
19 over 18. What is that? Is that our right answer? Hindi. Very good. Make it to mixed number. Very good, man. Mixed number na. Bakit nilagay ka ng 9? Mixed number na.
Tingnan.
Mixed number na gani. Make it to mixed number. Very good. Next. Di ba mabilis lang? Number 7.
No, no.
2, 7 plus 1, 4.
So after this, tapos na?
Hindi, may subtraction pa. 2, 7.
Diba?
Up until 9 lang. 2, 7. Kung sige na, 2, 7. Plus 1,
After
4.
this one, natapos?
Wala pa. 2, 7 plus 1, 4 plus 3. First step. Very good. Next. 4 times 2. Very good. Next. Next. Oh, 15 over 28. Reduce it, hindi. Hindi. Na, well, very good. Last. 9. 4, 10 plus 4, 5. Oh, focus mode na siya. Oh, wow.
Tired mode.
Serious mode na yan. 10 times 5. 15. Next. 5 times 4. Very good. Next. 10 times 4. Excuse me. Huh? 60 minus 50? 0, 0? 60 minus 50?
0.
0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 5. 1. Negative mixed number na. Very good. Very good. 10 and 50. Can we reduce it? Hindi. Sure? By what number?
Ten.
Very good. Ay, reduce mo yung 10 at saka 50.
Wala research ka bawal.
Pwede. Sa trial and error, ang bawal ang 10. Reduce man yan. Na trial and error. 10 divided by 10. Ha?
100.
Uy, not multiply. 10. 1. Next, 50 divided by 10. 5. That's the final answer. Next, kuya. Subtraction tayo.
Hindi sir, verdang lang.
Hindi, subtraction pa. We're very good na ba? You know how to solve na. Okay, the same process lang sa subtraction ha. Okay, ready. Ready. This one.
Ito research na?
This one na 1 to 5 lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If mapasa mo sa kuya, 448, end na tayo. Sige ha. Same process.
Have motivation. Motivation lang.
Next. Very good. Minus.
Minus 7 to 14.
Very good.
Plus minus 15.
15 minus 14. Wow, okay. Done na. Number 2. Wow, very good ba? 2/3 minus 3, 8.
3, 6, 9,
By 8 ka, para bilis.
8, 12, 8, 16, 24.
Very good. Next.
2 times 8, 16.
Very good. Minus.
16, 3, 6, 9.
Very good. 16 minus 9.
8.
Ha? Is that 8?
Oh, 7.
Very good. 7 over 24. Can we reduce it? Hindi. Hindi na. Hindi na.
We can not.
Oh, we cannot. Go. Next, number 3 na. Number 3. 6, 7. Minus 2, 6.
10, 14, 21, 25, 35, 40. 2,
Very good. 42. Next.
6,
6 times 6.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36.
Very good. Back last. Next. 7 times 2, 12.
No, 3, 7 times. 7 times.
36 minus, 14.
36. 24.
Very good. 24 and 42. Hindi yan. Reduce pa yan.
4.
Try. Split out by 4.
2, 2, 2.
By 2. Very good.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18. Wala, multiply.
Go.
8, 2,
Uy, divide, di ba? Bakit i-multiply mo?
Isa na lang.
Hindi. You do this one. 24 divided by 2. Multiply. Okay, reduce man. Basta reduce, divide. 24. 2 divided by 2.
1,
1. 1 times 2.
2,
2. Very good. Minus.
Zero.
Bring down 4. 4 divided by 2.
8,
4 divided by 2.
8.
4 divided by 2.
2,
2. 2 times 2.
4.
4. Ibig sabihin 12. 12 sa taas, faster. 12. Next, 42 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. 2. Very good.
4.
Very good. Minus.
0,
2. 2 divided by 2.
2, 1,
1. 1 times 2.
2,
So, 21. So, 12 over 21. Next, number 4. 4, 6 minus 4, 8.
4, 6, minus 4, 8, 12, 8, 16, 20, 24,
8, 16, 24.
8, 16, 24, 35,
Two.
30, 32, 40, 48, 40,
48. Dapat na. Next.
84, 4 times 8, 4 times 2, 2 minus.
Ha? 8 times 4? Di-divide mo man sa'yo. 8 times 4.
2.
8 times 4.
How many to order 8?
Hindi, divide kuya. Multiply kayo, multiply ba? 8 times 4. 8, 16,
8, 16, 24, 35,
32.
32,
Oh, next.
32, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 12, 18, 24,
Very good. 32 minus 24 pa.
32 minus 24, 32, right?
Oh, 1? 32 minus 24, 12?
14,
It's not 14.
13,
It's not 13. You count it.
oh, 1,
It's not 1.
2, 3 minus 2, 1, 6 minus 4, 2,
2 minus 4, pwede hindi. Cannot be because the bottom is big. Magiging 12, magiging 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 12 minus 4.
12 minus 4, 8,
Ay, naku. 8. All over? 48. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
we cannot,
We can. 8 and 48. Can we reduce it?
by 8,
No. Divide it by 8.
why was I right?
Go. 8 divided by 8.
8, 16, 8,
Oh, that's your first answer na. 8 divided by 8.
8,
1.
1,
Oh, 48 divided by 8.
8, 16, 24, 35,
Walang 35.
32, 40, 48.
Yan, final answer 16 next number 5.
Is that the last?
Oh, that's the last. 48 minus 2/3. 2/3.
15, 3, 4, 8, 4, 8, 16, 4, 8, 1, 12, minus 10, equals 2.
Can we reduce it? Hindi.
We cannot.
We cannot. Okay? So, that's it kuya for the subtraction. Meron pa. Multiplication.
I'm already master sa multiplication.
Very good.
I'm already master sa tapos na.
Wait lang.
You break my heart.
This one, 1, 2, 3 lang. 1, 2, 3. Di ba? Mas madali lang. Dito na, ulit na. Yung nuts. Go, start na. Para matapos ka na. 1, 2, 3. Times 3 over 12. Di ba? Straight ahead lang yan. 6 times 3.
6, 12, 18.
Very good, 18. 8 times 12.
8.
Matagalan ganyan, kuya. Oh. 8 times 2.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Uy, bakit nag-divide ka? Multiply tayo.
2.
68. Okay, 1. 8 times 1.
8, 9.
Very good. 96. 96 and 18. Can we reduce it in there?
We can count.
We can. Okay, what number?
2.
2. Go start with 2. Hindi. You go the division. You put 18. You put 18. Tapos you box it. 2. 18 divided by 2, sika. How much? 9. 9 times 2. 18. So ibig sabihin sa taas, 9. Equals 9. 9. That's 96 divided by 2.
2, 9, 2, 4, 6.
Mix
4 minus
Bring down.
10,
32.
60 divided by 2. Not multiply. Lagi. Divide.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
Hmm.
8.
Very good. Next.
8 times 2, 16.
Hmm. So ano sa ilalim? 40. Yun sa ilalim? 48. 9 and 48. Can we reduce it in there? We can. By?
9,
By 3. Go, go, go.
3, 6,
369. So, meron ka ng answer isa. Meron ka ng 3.
3, 6.
Uy, bakit i-multiply mo si 48? Divide? Di ba sa reduce, divide? Okay, 48. 3. 4 divided by 3. 1. Very good. Bring down. 18 divided by 3. Should come.
4, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18,
Very good.
18.
That's 6 in here. Oh. 6 times 3. 16. So, ibig sabihin 3 all over 16. Next. Wala pa. Number 2 pa. Bilisan mo na kayo. Malapit ka na matapos. 3 minutes na lang. Uy, 3 minutes na lang ako si Romina. Faster. 1/2 times 4 fifth. 1/2. Faster na. Kaya mabilis na lang. Malit lang siya ng number. 4. 4 fifth. 4 fifth. 4 fifth. Sige, 1 times 2. Ay, 1 times 4. Okay, tapos na. Next, 2 times 5. 10. Now, can we reduce 4 and 10? We can. By? 2. Very good. Reduce it. 2. Very good. Very good. Next. Wait. Inahalas na talaga. Inahalas akong dalas. Very good. Ha? Bakit ka nag-divide? Multiply, di ba? 4 times 8?
4, 8,
Hindi divide, ha?
4, 8,
12. 4, 8, 12. Sige.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32,
32. That's the answer, 32. 14 and 32. Can we reduce it in there?
by 2,
By 2. Very good.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14,
Very good. 7. 32 divided by 2.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24,
22. 22, 24.
22, 24, 26, 26, 28, 30, 32.
How much? 20 what? It's not 21. 16. Oh, so that's the final answer. Congratulations, Colorina. Yung memorize, ha? Oh, your cellphone. Maiwan. What did you learn today?
Nothing.
Nothing ka dyan. Sino, Coloroni? Bye-bye.